Hello friends, this is Mirjan Hipolito, your Forex and crypto expert from Traders Union. Today, we're going to talk about prop trading and review the best companies offering trial periods for traders. If you want to trade using significant capital without risking your own funds, this video is just for you. What is prop trading? It's trading on financial markets using the capital of a prop firm. You don't need to deposit your own money. The company provides you with funds, and you earn based on your skills. In return, the prop firm takes a share of your profits. It's an excellent way to take your trading to the next level without significant investments. However, to gain access to the company's capital, you'll typically need to pass a skill evaluation. The good news is that some prop firms offer this evaluation for free. Let's look at the top 3 prop firms that provide this opportunity. The Fivers is known for its transparent conditions and flexible programs for traders. They offer a free evaluation on a demo account. If you successfully meet the conditions, you gain access to a real trading account funded by the company and split the profits 50-50. This firm is perfect for traders who prefer long-term strategies. FTUK focuses on fast and active traders. Their free evaluation allows you to test your skills without any investments. If you pass the challenge, you get access to an account with up to $100,000 in capital and split profits with the company. FTUK is ideal for those who prefer more aggressive trading strategies. Audacity Capital offers traders access to up to $500,000 in capital after passing a free selection process. This firm targets experienced traders and provides favorable conditions for long-term collaboration. Here, you split the profits with the company in a 75-25 ratio, making it one of the most rewarding options on the market. If you want access to significant capital and wish to trade without risking your own funds, prop trading is an excellent solution. The companies, the Fivers, FTUK, and Audacity Capital are the best options for a free start. This has been Mirjan Hipolito, expert at Traders Union. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Let us know in the comments if you've tried trading with prop firms and what your experience was like. See you in the next videos.